Good morning. Here's a little video for you about these little tubes. So if air can't get through it, and I usually blow on it and see if there's air coming through. If you're finding air can't come through it, a lot of times it is the glue that holds these little ends on. I'll see if I can get closer. Does that work? Yeah, a little focus. There we go. So the glue sometimes gets into the hole, so I usually try and see if I can put a chopstick through. If the chopstick is too big, because that's the kind of chopstick you have, these little shish kebab pins work really well. And I'll just kind of look and see if there is something impeding. In this particular one, it's going through quite well. So the air goes through, but what I found is sometimes this glue just has a little hard glob, and poking it a bit and then pulling it out is a good way to do that. If you can't get this to suck, remember that you need to use this second tip, and you put one tip on here. These are the same tips as this end, and then put the suction through, so you're one end like that, and then when you grab a cup, make sure that the valve is already released, put it in, and then you should be able to hear the air coming through the cup. Okay? If any of those don't work, please let us know.